see how I do my no acrylic fake nails at home, then keep on watching. So I broke my finger when I was 7. I just want to point that out. I'm going to need a nail clipper, nail polish of your choice, nail glue of your choice, cuticle pusher and cuticle cutter, and a bag of nails. So I ordered these nails off of AliExpress, and now I'm just going to start off by sizing my nails. I go through each and every bag to see which one fits my nail the best. And I just take 2 out of the bag, obviously. After finding the right nail, I like to take my emery board and buff my nails because that allows the glue to stick better to the nail. It gives more adhesion. So I go through every nail. After going through both hands, I then like to start by pushing my cuticles back. Some say that you're not supposed to do this because obviously the cuticles protect your nail from getting infections, but I do it anyway. So I like to do this because it allows the nail to sit better underneath the cuticle, and I find that water do not get underneath my nails as fast as it would without me doing this step, so I never skip this step. After I push my cuticles back, I then go in with my cuticle cutter and then I remove the excess cuticles. That you can see that skin is like, ugh. This cuticle buildup only happens when I wait like months on end to not like do a personal manicure. So this is what it looks like. So I went ahead and did both hands, and now it's time for the process of applying the nails. So I like to literally use a dab and like to smear the glue around the perimeters of the nail because, like I said, once your cuticle is lifted, it allows the nail to sit underneath the cuticle better, and that way it ensures that water do not get underneath your nails. When I apply my nails, I like to apply pressure. So I hold the nail in place for about a good 5 seconds. I want to make sure that it's like in place, it's not going anywhere. And you also want to make sure that you take your time because as you can see, this one is crooked, but since I'm going to be wearing short nails, I'm fine with that. I just have to cut this at a different angle just to make it straight. And now it's even. I love this nail clipper. I ordered this nail clipper, I believe, off Amazon. I will leave the link down below. So after that, I am taking my cuticle pusher. On the other end has the pointed side, and sometimes glue so happens to get from underneath the nail and squeezes out onto the finger. So I'm just trying my best to remove that glue that's stuck on my finger because when you go in to polish your nails, sometimes the glue is poking out and you can see it and it just doesn't give a good finish. So you just want to make sure you remove all that excess glue on the side of your nails. So after picking it up, I then go back in with my emery board to smooth it down to make sure everything looks neat and nice. And then I'm just going to buff my nail out just a little bit the way I like it because when it's too square, it tends to scratch me and I don't like that, so I'm just buffing the edges a little bit. So I went ahead and finished off both hands, and this is what it looks like. And I love these nails because of its clearness. Now I'm going in with a nail polish of my choice, which is my ESSIE nail polish, and this is in the shade 40. And I really like this nail polish because it just gives off a natural finish. What tends to help me since I am a right-hander. I always like to polish my right hand first, obviously using my left hand, because I find that if I make any mistakes with my left hand, I can easily clean it up. So it's easier for me to polish the right hand first. So that is what I'm doing. And I like to just make sure I start off as close to the cuticle as possible. I try not to press it down too much because you don't want the nail polish to run. And I also like to hold my nail down at an angle, because that allows the nail polish, if it is going to run, it allows it to run downward so it doesn't actually run backwards going towards the cuticle. So I did my right hand, and now I'm about to paint my left hand, which is the easiest hand for me to paint because I am right-handed, like I said. After the first coat, I went in with another coat. And look how pretty that looks. It's so glossy. And this nail polish goes with literally anything. So if you are someone who likes to also wear nail polish on your toes and you can't find a good color, or you don't feel like matching, this is a really good shade because, like I said, it goes with anything. It's a neutral color. So I applied my second coat, and after that I'm going to quickly apply a nice good coat of clear. And I also wanted to use my ESSIE nail polish in clear. And I really love this top coat because it's a gel top coat and it just leaves the nails looking bomb. And that is it, lovies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, always remember to live, love you. Bye, guys.